hope everything goes well. Other than that, it was a good game. Both teams deserve to be in the finals. Both teams fought hard. Ours fought harder, and that's why we're carrying the cup today. And we thank all who allowed us to have this event. And we'd like to give a shout out to everyone who supported us, to all the fans. Thank you. See you next year. We want to make this a habit.
My name is Mary, the basketball captain, girls, RTI basketball ladies captain. I want to big up Madam Lois, wherever you are. She has been with us, and the other player. The game was tough, but we managed it. I want to say we deserved it, and all the best.
My name is Benson Okemo, Coach Kitty. That's a team in Nakuru from Kenya Industrial Training Institute. Yeah. Next time nikikuja kwa mashindano haya, ndajiandaa kwa kuja na more players that can assist me, because I had I didn't have strength in my bench. The bench was not that strong. That's why I maintained the 5 people. Because now, if I put someone in, ngekuwa na gap. Yeah, that's why maybe I can say we lost. We played against the best 7, and we managed to make them foul out, especially number 5, who was really tough below the post. Yeah.